Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore a very practical solution, how to sync your cloud disk via USB using AOMEI Backupper. Imagine this, every time you plug in your USB drive, your important files, whether it's work reports, travel photos, or personal projects, can be instantly synced to the cloud. No more worrying about data loss, no more manual copy-paste. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from setting up AOMEI Backupper to creating a sync task, and finally showing you how to automate everything so your data is always safe and up to date. Let's get started. Before you start, please make sure that your USB device has been connected to your computer and can be detected. Step 1. Open AOMEI Backupper, click the Sync tab on the left side and then select Basic Sync. Step 2. Click Add Folder to select the folder on the USB device which you want to synchronize. Step 3. Click Select a cloud drive to store the folder. In the pop-up window, select Drive and click OK. Step 4. Then click the Start Sync button to operate. Now you know how to sync your cloud disk via USB with AOMEI Backupper. This method not only saves time but also ensures your files are always backed up and accessible whenever you need them. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.